The holidays are coming, and that means it's time to spread Christmas cheer from the moment your students walk through the door. From snowy winter wonderlands to Santa's workshop, reindeer stables, and sparkling Christmas trees, your classroom door can become the highlight of the hallway. You don't need a huge budget or crafting experience, just some creativity, wrapping paper, and a little imagination. Whether you're going for cute, funny, or classic holiday charm, these Christmas classroom door decor ideas will turn your classroom into a festive masterpiece your students will love walking into every single day. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your destination for seasonal creativity and classroom inspiration. In today's video, we're diving into Christmas classroom door decor ideas, from DIY crafts and cute designs to creative and budget-friendly decorations that bring Christmas magic right into your classroom. Why decorate your classroom door for Christmas? A decorated classroom door instantly sets the mood for the season. It welcomes students with warmth and excitement. It's a simple way to build a festive atmosphere that sparks creativity, joy, and community spirit during the holidays. What are some classic Christmas classroom door themes? Go for timeless favorites like Santa's workshop, the North Pole, or walking in a winter wonderland. These instantly recognizable themes create nostalgia and joy, perfect for both young kids and older students. If you love spreading holiday cheer, don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow teachers and crafters. What are some cute Christmas classroom door ideas for younger kids? For preschool or elementary students, think playful and bright. Try a Santa stuck in the chimney design, reindeer faces made of paper plates, or a snowman built from cotton balls. Add fun textures and interactive elements to make it hands-on. How can I decorate my classroom door with a winter theme instead of Christmas? Choose a neutral winter look: snowflakes, penguins, polar bears, or snowy trees. Blue, white, and silver tones make it wintry and inclusive for all students while still feeling festive and cozy. Do you prefer classic Christmas red and green or a cool winter wonderland look? Tell us in the comments below. What materials from Dollar Tree or craft stores can I use? Use wrapping paper for backgrounds, paper plates for faces, tinsel for borders, and felt or foam for characters. Add battery lights or garlands for sparkle. These easy materials make crafting quick, fun, and affordable. How can I make a classroom door interactive? Try doors that students can help build, like Countdown to Christmas with numbered flaps, or Acts of Kindness tree where each student adds an ornament daily. It keeps them engaged and excited all season long. For more DIY classroom and hallway craft inspiration, check out our holiday classroom playlist linked below. What are some DIY ideas for teachers short on time? Use pre-made wall stickers, printed templates, or holiday wrapping paper. Cut out simple shapes like trees, snowmen, or gifts, and add a big Merry Christmas banner for a quick but eye-catching design. How can I make my Christmas door decorations stand out in the hallway? Add dimension. Use layers of foam, paper fans, and 3D accents like ribbons or cotton snow. A little sparkle or lighting will make your door pop, even from down the hall. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly DIY classroom and home decor ideas that make every season shine. What are fun Christmas door slogans or quotes to use? Try phrases like, "Believe in the magic of Christmas," "There's no place like our classroom," or "We're elfin' around." Catchy lines make your door both festive and memorable. How can I create a Santa or elf-themed door? For Santa, use red wrapping paper, a white paper beard, and cotton balls for trim. For elves, cut green outfits and hats with pom-poms. These designs are playful, instantly recognizable, and loved by kids of all ages. Want more Santa and elf decorating tutorials? Check out our DIY Christmas character crafts video linked below. How do I make a reindeer-themed classroom door? Use brown paper for the background, add antlers and big googly eyes, and don't forget a red pom-pom nose for Rudolph. Let students make mini reindeer faces to add around the main design. How can I make a religious Christmas door idea appropriate for school? Focus on peace, joy, and kindness. Use imagery like stars, angels, or nativity scenes if your school allows it, or create messages of goodwill and gratitude that fit any belief system. What are some creative door ideas for older students or high school classrooms? For older students, go for clever or aesthetic designs, like resting Grinch face, keep calm and jingle on, or minimalist snowflake themes. Keep it trendy with neutral colors and bold typography. What are easy ways to involve students in decorating the classroom door? Let each student decorate a mini ornament, mitten, or snowflake with their name to hang on the door. It makes the decoration collaborative and personal, reminding everyone that the class is a team. How do you get your students involved in holiday decorating? Share your ideas in the comments. We love teacher creativity. What are some budget-friendly DIY ideas for classroom doors? Reuse old wrapping paper, cardboard boxes, and craft leftovers. Print free templates online or use recycled materials for a sustainable, low-cost design that still looks amazing. Decorating your classroom door for Christmas is more than just decor. It's about creating joy, connection, and memories that students will never forget. Whether it's a funny Santa door, a cozy winter wonderland, or a class-made kindness theme, your door can be the most magical part of the school. So grab your scissors, some wrapping paper, and a sprinkle of creativity, and let your classroom shine bright this holiday season. If these Christmas classroom door decor ideas inspired you, hit like and share this video with other teachers. Which theme is your favorite? Santa's Workshop, Winter Wonderland, or Reindeer Fun? Let us know below. Explore our holiday classroom decor playlist for more fun and easy classroom crafts. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly seasonal, budget-friendly, and creative decor inspiration. Watch our DIY Christmas wall art and classroom garland ideas linked below.